Welcome, dear children. Today we'll continue our chapter Gravitation. Now we will learn about thrust and pressure. Thrust is the total force acting perpendicular on a surface and its unit is Newton. Do you know what is pressure? Pressure is the force per unit area. P is equal to F upon A and its SI unit is Pascal. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Let's know about applications of the concept of pressure. More area of contact leading to less pressure. For example, wide straps of school bags help to reduce pressure on your shoulders. Area of wide straps is more and hence pressure is less. Less area of contact leading to high pressure. And its example is, it is easier to cut with a sharp knife as compared to a blunt knife. Area of contact of sharp knife is small, thus creating high pressure for a particular amount of force applied. Let's learn about fluid. Fluid is a substance which has the ability to flow. Our next topic is pressure in fluids. Fluid pressure is a measurement of the force per unit area on an object in the fluid on the surface of a closed container. This pressure can be caused by gravity, acceleration, or by forces outside a closed container. Since a fluid has no definite shape, its pressure applies in all directions. Let's know about buoyancy. When an object is placed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on it. This is called buoyancy. Now we will learn about laws of flotation. If the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the object will float in the liquid. If the weight of an object is less than the buoyant force, the object will float. And if the weight of an object is greater than the buoyant force, the object will sink. Now we will learn about Archimedes' principle. Archimedes' principle states that when a body is immersed partially or fully in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Let's have a quick look on applications of Archimedes' principle. In designing ships and submarines, lactometer is based on the Archimedes principle. It is used to determine the purity of a sample of milk. Hydrometer is also based on the Archimedes principle. It is used to determine the density of liquids. Let's know about relative density. The formula is relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. The ratio of the mass of any volume of a substance to the mass of an equal volume of water is called its relative density. If the relative density of a solid or liquid is more than 1, then that substance will sink in the water. And if the relative density of a solid or liquid is less than 1, then that substance will float in water.